Modern Delhi Public School presents Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves, an unnerving saga of how wit and wisdom can change one's destiny and how greed and jealousy can cause one's downfall. Qasim is a rich merchant of Persia. His poor brother, Ali Baba, came to know about the hidden treasure behind a cave.
Khulja Sim Sim! God has finally blessed me. I will take only what I need now. All our problems are solved.
Ali Baba was forced to reveal the secret of the cave to his brother Qasim.
I have discovered a magic cave. Oh, these precious jewels. I want all of it. Khulja darwaja. No.
And was caught red-handed by the thieves.
Before anyone else invades our cave again, we have to find out this Ali Baba and locate his house.
The thieves traced down Ali Baba's house.
Sir, I am a stranger in your town with nowhere to stay. Good gracious! These are the robbers! I will poison the food. My army of brave men. It is showtime. Come out quickly. You have one chance to renounce your bad ways and start life afresh. Forgive me, God, for all the bad deeds I have done.
Greed cannot overpower humanity under any circumstances.
Ali Baba, बगदादी अली बाबा, 40 चोर और गुफा. अली बाबा, बगदादी अली बाबा, 40 चोर और गुफा. खुल जा सिम सिम कहते ही देखो होता है क्या. खुल जा सिम सिम कहते ही देखो होता है क्या.
And now, the magic begins.